Hey everybody, I'm back for another Sharp Auto Body myth busting video. We're doing a series of videos here about busting myths about the body shop industry, insurance companies, and that kind of stuff. Today I'd like to talk about aftermarket parts. Aftermarket parts are parts that are made by somebody other than the manufacturer of your vehicle. Often, aftermarket parts are reverse engineered. So, for example, if you have a Honda Accord, the fender that was made for that Honda Accord was engineered by Honda. Often, companies, especially like in China, will reverse engineer that, which means that they have to measure the fender and then make it backwards, which often isn't very effective and doesn't work very well. But aftermarket parts are not the same as OEM parts. I've got just a quick example here. This is a piece of paper, and you can see how flimsy it is and how much I can twist it in any direction I want. This is a rigid piece of cardboard. It doesn't have as much flexibility, and I can't twist it around. That's really similar to aftermarket parts to OEM parts. Aftermarket parts are thinner and lighter metal, often a different alloy of metal, not as strong as the metal in the OEM parts. The OEM parts has thicker metal, a different or better alloy, and much more rigidity to it. The importance of this is your car's been engineered to work with that OEM part, especially in the event of an accident when it starts to collapse or crush in on itself. And your vehicle is designed to crush in around the passenger compartment to protect you. The insurance company would have you believe that it's okay to use aftermarket parts. And the reason why they want you to believe this is because it saves them, you betcha, lots of money. But it does not get you a quality repair. It also does not guarantee that your car is going to perform exactly the same way in the event that you have another accident. These vehicles are designed to crush at a certain speed rate. All you have to do is watch any of the crash videos, even at low speeds, 5-10 miles an hour. That vehicle starts to collapse, and it collapses at a specific rate designed by the engineers so that all that collapse rate is coordinated with your airbags going off, your anti-lock brakes, if you have blind spot monitors, all those things are connected. Once you throw aftermarket parts on that vehicle, all that engineering is out the window. We now provide insurance companies with documentation from Honda, Ford, Chrysler, the list goes on, saying that the only parts that should be put back on your vehicle after you've had a collision is OEM parts. So, the myth that aftermarket parts are as good as OEM parts is not true. We're busting that myth. You need to put OEM parts back on your vehicle. That's the only way you can guarantee that it's going to operate and, most importantly, be as safe as it was the way it was engineered from the designers at the manufacturer, regardless of who that manufacturer was. So, hope this was helpful. Hope we've busted another myth for you. Be safe and have a great week.